How to save selection in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and find our playlist for each apps. And let's get started. Saving a selection is very useful for people who make custom selections and want to re-select objects using it. So let's first make here a custom selection using the lasso tool by going to the lasso tool from here or clicking on L. Let's go to it and let's make a custom selection. Let's now save the selection. All you gotta do is right click or press by two fingers in order to open the menu here over the selection and click on save selection. Here you're gonna choose where to save the selection, and here you can choose a channel, and here you can name the selection. Let's make it new selection and click on OK, and then let's deselect the selection from here, right clicking on this and choose deselect, or just by clicking Command or Control D like this. Now if you wanna make the same selection, all you gotta do is right clicking here and click load selection and choose the selection that you want, and choose the selection from here from the channel and choose new selection, and you can also choose to invert selection or not, and then click on OK. As you can see, here is our custom saved selection. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.